you go. So he's gonna take those off.
You know, taking this off, it's quite like number. It says you can press it, but I don't have nails because of my gloves. So I'm just gonna press that one in and just
slide it out.
Pull it.
And even you can take your thing out and you can use it as
yes, like there you go. We gotta get it. That's one.
That's one. Check that one out.
If you're not good at math, you can be good at this one. You can just count 1, 2, 3. So it's not a big deal.
That's what good just showing you how to save money.
That's the second one.
Yeah.
Then here the top. You can find me everywhere. In music you can find me. On automotive you can find me. In
building houses
you can find me. Building house you can find me.
Everywhere.
Yeah,
way to save money.
Everywhere, man.
Save money.
That's how it is. I'm gonna make it simple and easy. Simple and easy stuff. So for you to make simple and easy, be simple and easy. Don't afraid to learn some stuff, you know.
Yeah.
I can get dirty here, but I can go and put my swag and get clean.
I don't know if you guys see it from here, but it's quiet down there. Maybe you just guys see his hand down there.
As long as you see number 1, number 2.
Yeah, it's the same things, yeah.
Use your own mind to see those things over here.
It's a little quiet down there. This is the first step. Second step, you're gonna get 12mm, and he come take the bolt out, and he get the coils out.
There you go. There you go. We got 3 of them out. So I need those stuff of mine somewhere.
Just leave them out there. It's better. Yep.
I should not forget them.
Yep. Yep. Oh. So he got the clicks out, and he gonna get the wires out. And after the wires, he check those wires out. After the wires, he gonna get 12mm and come over get for you the thing out on them. The car off.
Yeah.
Take the key out. It's just going random here. You don't need to organize because you need to change them, all of them. So you just whatever you see, you take them. And sometimes maybe you get just one code. That one code is gonna show you just something you want to change it. But this 6 code, all of them, they're gonna be, each of them you need to be out. You're gonna get 12mm, and he coming back to let you.
As I said, like it's about unplugging stuff and plug it back. This is
just to be carefully to take them, because they come with the factory things, and then you need to put them like back the same thing. If you cut it, you can just get a zip tied. You tied it. It's no matter for it. But if you just carefully take it out and put it back, it'd be like professional way to look
there you
good.
go.
Another one up there. He gonna take it out.
Like
easy.
Simple stuff. This thing is quite become a number in here.
It's a very tight place, just it's not helping quite, but we're gonna make it and show you how you can just get it out. Nice. Start moving stuff around and get into a point where you want to get. If not, come out, don't worry about it, because it's reliable. You can take it from here. Just take the 10mm out. Is it connected? Yeah, take the millimeter out. Take the millimeter out. 10mm. He just get 10mm and he got up in that bolt. I'm gonna take the bolt out. And you're gonna get it out. That's just in the way. You take it out and instead take that one, because that one is reliable, a hook. So you don't want to just play with the hook, because it takes your time. To make it easier, take this one out, put them in the hood in the front, and here you go. Another one up here, it's gonna be the same way. That's it. Just they move it out like that and move those things to get away. Unplug, just like that, and then you get to the point where you look for it.
It's just a matter of opening those things out, giving us like
space,
enough space to do this shit. I think like they invented great cars that other people cannot do it unless you have to go to auto mechanic, like schools and all that. No, hell no, man. You don't need to.
You learn from here, YouTube. We are here for you.
You don't need to go to school, man.
Watch us, like us, and learn more. Save money in your pocket.
Teacher here, man. You don't need to go to that damn school and get those damn easy things.
Take your gloves out. One out of the way.
When it's come to work, it's work. When it comes to work, it's just work. This is work we do right now.